How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not loading. Hey everybody, this side Nina from Create, Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. Open up your Snapchat, tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. From here, tap onto Settings, and under Account Actions, tap on Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap on Continue, and this will clear all your cache. Once done, open your device's settings. Scroll below to Apps. Here, search for Snapchat. Go to its storage. Likewise so, clear the cache. Now make sure that your application is updated. Go to Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you see update sign here, go ahead and tap it. And this shall fix your problem of your My Eyes Only not loading. That wraps up today's tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next upload.